Hurricane Irma destroyed roadways, isolating many who didn't evacuate.
Irma is proving she's a force to be reckoned with.
This morning, Florida is bracing for this.
Years ago, we had several hurricanes all in the same season. So I was putting my hurricane panels up and down power outages for a week or two at a time, and I didn't want to have to do that again. My name is Paul McMaster, and I live in Clearwater, Florida. What really sold me on Sunrun was that I could lease panels instead of buying them.
My husband is a very thorough researcher. We've been looking at a number of companies of different offerings, and it interested us because it didn't involve a huge outlay of money. It was very interesting that this was something that would be accessible to us right now.
When Magna first came, I was very impressed with her knowledge, and they wanted a whole year's worth of power bills so that they could determine what I would need. And it was all quite scientific rather than just guessing. I liked the idea of a Brightbox battery system so that it would hold up the power during an outage. When we had the 4 hurricanes go by, we were out for weeks at a time. Knowing that there were times when I was going to have power outages from hurricanes, I wanted to be prepared.
Oh, there's this backup battery that would run essential things like the refrigerator, so we're less worried about our food and so forth.
We've had one little power outage so far, and it held up the 4 circuits. In fact, the microwaves clock didn't even lose its time because it came up so quick. The affordable part is most important to me, but I do like that there's no fuel being used to run my house. It's called the Sunshine State for a reason, and we need to use the solar energy system. Everybody should be able to do it.